Hello everyone. As we already discussed about the factorization of binomial and trinomial, here we are discussing as the last week in the last video I told that this is a trinomial which is converted to 4 terms. Now this can be written as a square plus this 5 I have changed into 2 factors 3 plus 2. Now the question arises that why I am writing this only 3 plus 2, it can be written as 4 plus 1, it can be written as 6 minus 1, it can be written as 7 minus 2, but why I am just writing it 3 plus 2. Now the most important part is the constant term. First of all we have to understand whether the constant term is positive or the constant term is negative. In this question it is positive. In this question again it is positive, this is positive, and in these 3 questions the constant term is negative. Now when the constant term is positive, then the 2 factors which we are doing should be such that the sum of 2 factors must be the middle term, and the multiplication of these 2 factors, should be the last term or the constant term. Now if I am planning to divide 5 into 2 factors where the sum of 2 numbers is 5 and the multiplication of 2 numbers is 6. So we can talk about the factors of 6. This is 6, 3, 2 and 1. So out of these 4 factors, we have to take any 2 factors whose sum is 5 and whose multiplication is 6. So we have taken the 2 factors as 3 and 2 whose sum is 5 and whose multiplication is 6. Again here it is positive. So we are very clear that we have to take 2 terms whose sum is 13 and whose multiplication is 42. So if in case we talk about the factors of 42, it is 1, 2, 3, then 6, 7, 14, then it's 21 and 42. So these are all the factors of 42. So we have to take any 2 factors in these numbers where the sum comes out to be 13 and the multiplication comes out to be 42. So definitely more than 14 it is not possible. So these 2 are the factors where the sum is 13 and the multiplication is 42. So I can write it as 7 plus 6. Again here the number is 24. It is having a positive sign. So we have to convert it into 2 factors where the sum is 11 and the multiplication is 24. Again if we look at the factors of 24, this is something like this. So out of these factors, see the 2 factors whose sum is 11 and the multiplication is 24. One thing is very clear, when we talk about the multiplication of 24, so it means they must be cofactors to each other. This can be factorized with this can be factored with this can be factored with this, and this can be factored with this. We cannot take the 2 numbers as 6 and 12. Here either I will take 3 with 8 or 2 with 12 or 1 with 24, then only the multiplication will come out to be 24. So here it is 8 and 3 whose sum is 11 and whose multiplication is 24. Now we look at the numbers where the last term is negative. Here again the multiplication should come out to be 22, but the middle term should be the difference of 2 factors. Difference of 2 factors. Here we are adding these, but here we have to subtract. So here the difference of 2 factors, if in case we look at the factors of 22, it is 1, 2, 11 and 22. So either I will take this pair or I will take this pair. So we know that 11 minus 2 is 9. So 11 and 2 is the correct option. 11 minus 2 we will take instead of 9. If we look at this, again 24, we are looking at all the factors. So it is a negative factor. So we will take the difference to be 2. Here, if it is 3 and 8, the difference is 5. If it is 2 and 12, then the difference is 10. If it is 4 and 6, then the difference is 2. So this 2 can be written as 6 minus 4. Same way, if we look at 92, again we will talk about the factors as 1, 2, then 4, then so and so. It is 23, then it is 46, and this is 92. So 1 and 92 are the two factors which are possible, but the difference is not 19. If we look at the difference of 19, so it is 23 and 4. So this 19 can be written as 23 minus 4. So first of all, we should understand that how we are making the middle term as two terms figure. So the whole value can be written as a square plus 3a plus 2a plus 6. So this trinomial I have converted to 4 terms value or 4 terms polynomial. Here also I can write it as x square plus 7 plus 6x plus 42, which can further be written as x square plus 7x plus 6x plus 42. So these are also 4 terms. Here also I can write these as 4 terms. So it will come out to be y square minus 8y minus 3y plus 24. Again I have converted it into 4 terms. This can also be converted into 4 terms in the same way. So this is t square plus 11t minus 2t minus 22. This can be again converted into the 4 terms figure x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 24. This can again be converted into the 4 terms figure, and this will come out to be x square minus 23x plus 4x minus 92. These are already we have written as 4 terms values, because factorization is also possible in the term when there are 4 terms. So if in case we want to solve these 4 terms, we have to look at the grouping of the 2 terms each. Here I can take a common, it becomes x plus y. Here I can take b common, again it becomes x plus y. Now this is 1 term and this is 2 term. As we have already discussed in the 2 terms case that we can take something common. So here we can take common as x plus y, the whole value, and the remaining value becomes a plus b. So these are the 2 factors. So the 4 terms can be grouped in 2 terms, and then we can make it 2 factors. Here also we can take x common, it becomes 3y minus 5. Here I am taking 2 common, it is 3. It should be y. It is 3y minus 5. Here, one thing is very, very important, that the common factor must be the same. It is not possible that here it is 3y minus 5 and here it is 3y minus 6 and I can take something common. So here I am taking 3 minus y minus 5 common. It becomes x plus 2. So these are the 2 factors. The same case we can put it here. If I take a common, it becomes a plus 3. Here I take 2 common, it becomes a plus 3. So it is a plus 2 as one factor and a plus 3 as another factor. Here also x is common, it becomes x plus 7. Then 6 is common, it becomes x plus 7. So it is x plus 6 as one factor and x plus 7 another factor. Here also I take y common, so it is y minus 8. Minus 3 common, it is y minus 8. So the factors are y minus 8 and y minus 3. Here also we can make it in grouping. T is common, it is t plus 11. It is minus 2 common, t plus 11. It becomes t minus 2 and t plus 11. Same way here I can take x common, it is x minus 6. Plus 4 common, x minus 6. So it is x plus 4 is one factor and x minus 6 is another factor. Here also I can take x common, it becomes x minus 23. I take 4 common, it is x minus 23. So x minus 23 is one factor and x plus 4 is another factor. So now it is very clear that we have done the factorization where there are 3 terms involved. There is one more important aspect, that here the coefficient of the square term is 1. Here also the coefficient of this term is 1. Here also the coefficient of all the terms which are square terms is 1. There may be a question where the coefficient of this term is not 1, but it may be anything else like this, where the coefficient of the t square is 4. This question we will solve in the